Welcome to Padhai Book. In this video, we are going to do an activity, and that activity is based on tangent to a circle. There is a well-known theorem that the radius of a circle is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Here in this activity, we are going to verify that theorem that the radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact by paper cutting, folding, and pasting method. Right? So let's see what this theorem states. Given a circle, let's say you are given a circle with center O and you have a tangent PQ to the circle which intersect the circle at the point A. So A is the point of contact, and if I join OA, the center with the point of contact, then I get that OA is perpendicular to PQ. So this is a theorem. And now we are going to verify this theorem by paper cutting, pasting and folding method. Let's see the various material required. Material required is Fevistick, geometry box, scissors and colored paper. Now we are going to see the various steps. Step 1. Draw a circle of any radius on a colored paper and cut it. Here we have cut a circle of any radius on a colored paper. I am going to cut that circle and will mark the center of the circle as the point O. Next step is paste the circle on a rectangular sheet of paper. After cutting the circular and marking the center of the circle as O, we are going to paste this circle on a rectangular sheet of paper. Make sure that the colors of the two sheets will be different. So next step. Fold the rectangular sheet to obtain a tangent PQ at the point of contact A on the circle. We are going to fold this rectangular sheet in such a way that we obtain the tangent PQ, and we are going to mark the point of contact as point A. So we have this, you can see here we have this tangent PQ and the point of contact has been marked as the point A. Now the next step, form a crease joining OA and we are going to draw OA. First step is we are going to form a crease. So that see here we are forming a crease, and afterward in the next step we are going to draw the line OA. Next step, on a colored paper draw an angle of measure 90 degree. We are going to draw an angle of measure 90 degree. I am going to cut that and name the angle as angle DEF. So you can see here you have an angle DEF which is of measure 90 degree. Make sure again it is of different color. Now in the next step, place angle DEF on PQ such that EF and AQ coincide. Now we are going to place this angle DEF on PQ such that AQ and EF coincide with each other. So what we observe here? That angle DEF completely covers angle OAQ. And since DEF is of measure 90 degree, therefore angle AOQ will also be of angle OAQ will also be of measure 90 degree, which proves that or which verifies that OA is perpendicular to PQ. And OA is the radius of the circle. So finally what result we have verified that the radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So here we have. So we have verified that the radius of a circle is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Here we can write the observation along with that. The observation will be, we observe that angle OAQ is completely covered by angle DEF. This shows that angle OAQ is a right angle, and thus OP is perpendicular to PQ, where OA is perpendicular to PQ, where OA is the radius and PQ is the tangent. So it's the same thing. We are going to write the result that the radius of the circle is perpendicular to the tangent through the point of contact. Hope this activity is clear to all. If any problem in the activity, you can write in the comment section. Thank you all.